Use settings to update the fictional business name and choose the interface language. Preview a non-payable demo UPI setup. Keep payment identity hidden, then remove it. Create a second fictional business and switch safely between both businesses. Privacy includes khata and cashbook exports, along with consent controls. Point out the account deletion request route, but do not submit it in the demo. Logout closes the current session. Logout all devices also closes older sessions. Choose later on the update prompt. Use reload now only after all work is saved.